our berries. Ang daming luto. Doon pa guys, oh. Sa loob. Kaya lang matinik. So, focus muna ako sa pag-pick. And doon pa. Nakatago. Our harvest for today. Dami. Are you helping mommy? Are you cleaning the house too, Dad? At dahil maliit na sa kanya yung isang bed, ginawan ko na lang ng paraan. Ikinabit ko ang dating kama ni Kuya at ang kama naman ni Kuya ay ang pinaglumaan naman ng kanyang pinsan. Hello mga ka-howdies, pasensya nyo na sobrang shiny ko kasi naglagay ako ng sunscreen, yung sa stick, parang deodorant. And nandito ako ngayon sa ating parang every 3 months na check-up ng ating dental. So, appointment ko ngayon. So, nag-decide si Claude na sa bahay nagtatrabaho para mabantayan yung dalawang bata. So, nandito na tayo. Yan. Malapit lang siya sa bahay. Sobrang lapit lang, mga 5 minutes drive. So, pero after nito, sinabi ko kay Claude, pupunta tayo ng Brookshires para bumili ng mga recipes para sa ating dinner for tomorrow. So, yun guys, samahan niyo ako. After ng aking dental appointment, ay dumiretso na ako sa Brookshires. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog doon. At hindi na rin ako masyadong nakapag-vlog dito sa Brookshires kasi maraming tumitingin. Nahihiya naman ako mag-video. Hello guys, so kanina pa ako nakarating ng bahay at nagpahinga na rin ako at nagpanin sa dalawang bata. Ngayon, kuha tayo ng blackberries kasi maraming bunga. Hindi pa namin naubos yung nakuha namin last time pero kunin ko na para hindi masira or mag-overripe. So siya guys. So, kunin ko muna and papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Ang dami guys. This is our harvest. Yan. Ang dami naman, guys. So, pasok na tayo.
At dahil 4th of July weekend, nagkaroon kami ng biglaang lakad. Nag-drive kami papuntang Granbury, Texas.
Satchel?
Be careful. Is it yummy? Is it yummy?
Wow! They're very gentle to the
Wow.
Go carry on.
Okay. Wow, look at that. Okay.
Oops, be wow.
No.
He's playing with it.
One more then. One more. Nope.
Oh no.
Okay. Just right here. Right. So I'll get bunch here for you. Good.
You said you feed them. Dear.
Try this one, Kayan.
They're so what? You hold it.
Wow.
How about his dad?
That's what you got, Gil.
Oh, go dear feed. Go. Yum.
Oh,
Oh.
I hear you.
What's that, boys? Giraffe. Long. Very, very, very long. Okay, put your hand.
Wow.
Giraffe, boy.
What's that,
A
Zach?
lot of slime up here. Okay.
It's okay.
One more, and then we leave. Take quite the time, and your slime. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Hello guys! Happy 4th of July! And kanina we were in Granbury. Pero wala sa plan itong aming lakad ngayon. But yesterday, we decided to watch the fireworks in Granbury. Pero wala na silang available na hotel. Kaya nandito kami sa next town, which is the Glenrose. Hi guys! So kanina, pasensya na kanina, pumasok kami sa itaas. And then, nag-check-in kami. So, konting room tour lang. Nandito tayo sa Baymont Hotel ng Windham. So, what do you think? It's
the fridge is bigger than usual.
It's actually more than we expected. Right?
Yeah.
It's spacious.
It's the cheapest, yeah.
Yeah.
And straight view, yeah.
And the bathroom is also big.
Yeah, a bathtub.
So here's the bathroom. And then shower in the tub. So the door, usual standard na hotel yan. Yung restroom nasa kaliwa. And then meron din silang mini kitchen dito. Which nakalimutan kong magdala ng popcorn, pero meron silang microwave. And then the fridge. I did not bring apple juice. Yeah. Yeah, because they didn't even drink their apple juice now, so. And then we had the 2 queen-size bed. TV. Table here. Chair. This is our maulan siya guys, so moist. Ito yung ating view from our room. Merong maliit na creek doon. And then meron pool. Kaya lang close yung kanilang pool ngayon kasi maulan. You want me to hold it? Oh, it's heart-shaped. Oh, look, oh, fireworks! Look, kuya, look! Look, Dad, look! Fireworks! Dad, look at the fireworks, Dad!
시원하다.
Ready? In the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit.
What?